After 60, your body doesn't respond the same way it used to. Energy drops, digestion slows, and focus fades. But what if I told you that adding just one simple powder to your morning coffee could completely change that? People around the world are calling it their morning miracle. It's natural, affordable, and backed by surprising science. Stay with me till the end, because the results might just leave you speechless. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful addition to your daily coffee that's helping people over 60 feel more energetic, sharper, and even younger. Let's get started with the first section. After the age of 60, our metabolism, muscle strength, and hormonal balance naturally start to slow down. The coffee you've been drinking for decades might still give you a quick energy kick, but it doesn't help your body the way it used to. In fact, plain caffeine can sometimes increase anxiety, raise blood pressure, and cause dehydration, especially in older adults. That's why experts now recommend combining your coffee with certain natural powders that balance energy instead of just boosting it temporarily. Think of it like upgrading your morning routine from a quick jolt to a smoother, long-lasting fuel. These powders, whether they're rich in antioxidants, adaptogens, or essential minerals, help your body process caffeine more efficiently and protect your cells from damage. One of the most talked about powders right now has been shown to improve focus, reduce inflammation, and support heart health, 3 areas that are crucial after 60. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which powder it is, how to add it to your coffee, and what results to expect. But first, let's understand what really happens to your energy levels as you age, and why this small change can make such a big difference. Let's face it, feeling tired after 60 isn't just getting older. It's your body's way of saying it needs better fuel. As we age, our mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside our cells, begin to slow down. They produce less energy, meaning even simple tasks can leave you feeling drained. Add stress, poor sleep, and a diet lacking key nutrients, and suddenly your morning coffee doesn't feel like magic anymore. It just keeps you awake, not energized. Here's where the right kind of coffee, enhancing powder, can make a massive difference. Some natural ingredients are proven to recharge your mitochondria, helping your body convert food into steady energy again. These aren't chemical boosters, they're nutrient-dense plant compounds and minerals that work with your body, not against it. One common mistake people make is trying to fix low energy with more coffee. That just burns you out faster. Instead, adding the right powder turns your coffee into a super drink that nourishes your cells while keeping your mind sharp. Imagine feeling alert without the crash, focused without the jitters, and energetic even in the afternoon. So, what is this powder that's transforming morning routines for people over 60? Don't worry, we're getting there. But first, let's explore what happens inside your brain and why this small addition could help you think clearer than you have in years. As we cross 60, one of the biggest complaints people share is brain fog, forgetting names, losing focus, or just feeling slow. That's not a coincidence. Your brain cells depend on a constant flow of oxygen, nutrients, and stable energy to function at their best. But aging, stress, and years of caffeine overuse can reduce blood flow to the brain, leading to sluggish thinking and memory lapses. Now here's where the right coffee powder changes everything. Certain natural powders, like lion's mane mushroom, MCT oil powder, or cocoa flavonoids, contain compounds that stimulate brain regeneration, improve communication between neurons, and even protect against age-related cognitive decline. For instance, lion's mane has been shown in studies to boost nerve growth factor, which helps rebuild brain connections, something traditional coffee simply can't do. Imagine drinking your morning coffee, and instead of just waking up, You're literally feeding your brain, sharpening memory, increasing alertness, and even lifting your mood. That's what happens when you combine caffeine with supportive nutrients. Your coffee becomes more than a habit. It becomes a daily brain supplement. The best part? You don't have to change your coffee routine at all. Just one scoop of the right powder can make all the difference. Coming up next, we'll dive into the exact ingredients inside this miracle coffee powder and how each one works to reverse age-related decline from the inside out. So, what exactly is in this amazing powder that's making people over 60 feel like they've turned back the clock? Let's break it down. The secret lies in a blend of 3 powerhouse ingredients, each targeting a different part of your health. First up is lion's mane mushroom extract, nature's ultimate brain food. It's rich in compounds that help stimulate the growth of new brain cells and protect against memory loss. Many users report feeling sharper and more focused within just weeks of adding it to their morning coffee. Next is MCT oil powder, a clean, healthy fat derived from coconuts. It provides instant, crash-free energy to your brain and body. Instead of the jittery spike you get from caffeine alone, MCT gives you a steady stream of mental clarity that can last for hours. It's like flipping the on switch for your brain every morning. Finally, there's cinnamon extract, a simple but powerful antioxidant that helps regulate blood sugar and improve circulation, 2 things that become essential as we age. It also gives your coffee a delicious aroma and natural sweetness. When these 3 are combined, they create a synergistic effect, improving focus, supporting the heart, boosting metabolism, and calming inflammation. This isn't just a coffee add-on, it's a complete wellness blend in one scoop. In the next section, we'll look at how this powder supports your metabolism and fat, burning power even after 60. Here's a truth most people don't realize. After 60, your metabolism slows by nearly 30%, meaning your body burns fewer calories even when you're resting. That's why you can eat the same foods you always did, but somehow gain weight faster. The good news: the ingredients in this coffee powder help turn that switch back on. Let's start with MCT oil powder. Unlike regular fats, MCT are immediately converted into energy by your liver. They don't get stored as fat, they teach your body to burn fat for fuel instead. When you drink coffee mixed with MCT, your metabolism starts to work more efficiently, helping you stay active, maintain a healthy weight, and even feel warmer, a sign of increased energy output. Then, there's cinnamon extract, which plays a huge role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar is steady, your body avoids energy crashes and reduces cravings, 2 of the biggest hurdles in maintaining a healthy metabolism. Together, these ingredients create a thermogenic effect, gently raising your body temperature and encouraging fat breakdown, especially around stubborn areas like the belly and thighs. It's not magic, it's smart nutrition working in harmony with your body. So if your metabolism feels stuck, this simple morning ritual might be the easiest, most delicious way to restart it. Next, let's talk about how this same powder supports heart and joint health, 2 areas that often need extra love after 60. After 60, 2 areas that need extra attention are your heart and your joints. Years of stress, processed foods, and lack of key nutrients can stiffen your arteries and weaken your cartilage, making you feel older than you really are. But here's the exciting part. The same coffee powder that boosts your brain and metabolism can also protect your heart and soothe your joints naturally. Let's start with the heart. Ingredients like cinnamon extract are rich in antioxidants and natural compounds that improve blood circulation and help balance cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that cinnamon supports healthy blood pressure and reduces oxidative stress, both of which are vital for keeping your heart strong and your arteries flexible. Now, for joint health, lion's mane mushroom plays a surprising role here. It's not just for the brain. It contains powerful anti-inflammatory agents that can reduce stiffness and pain in your joints. Chronic inflammation is one of the main causes of joint discomfort. And when you calm that inflammation daily through diet, you naturally regain mobility and flexibility. Add in the healthy fats from MCT oil powder, which lubricate your joints and improve overall cellular function, and you've got a combination that truly supports your body from the inside out. So, when you sip your morning coffee with this blend, you're not just waking up, you're rebuilding your heart and joint health, one cup at a time. Next, let's uncover how this powder can also help restore your youthful glow and skin health. Let's be honest, aging isn't just about feeling older, it's about looking older too. After 60, your skin begins to lose elasticity, fine lines appear, and that natural glow slowly fades. But what if your morning coffee could actually help bring it back? That's exactly what happens when you add this powerful powder to your cup each day. The secret lies in how its ingredients work together at a cellular level. MCT oil powder nourishes your skin from the inside out, providing essential healthy fats that strengthen the skin barrier and keep it moisturized. This means fewer wrinkles and a smoother texture over time. Then comes lion's mane mushroom, which helps reduce oxidative stress, one of the biggest causes of aging. Its antioxidants fight off free radicals that damage your skin cells, keeping your complexion bright and youthful. Meanwhile, cinnamon extract improves blood circulation, helping more oxygen and nutrients reach your skin cells, giving you that natural, healthy glow without expensive creams or treatments. Many users even report that within weeks of adding this powder to their coffee, they notice tighter skin, brighter tone, and that long, lost vibrancy returning. It's like a gentle, daily rejuvenation ritual that works quietly in the background. So yes, this one simple coffee tweak can do more than just wake you up. It can help you turn back the clock from the inside out. Next, let's talk about how it also supports gut and digestion health, which is key to feeling truly young again. Here's something most people overlook: your gut is the foundation of your entire health. After 60, your digestive system naturally slows down. The stomach produces less acid, nutrient absorption drops, and good gut bacteria start to decline. The result: bloating, fatigue, and a weaker immune system. But here's the good news: the right coffee powder can help bring your gut back to balance, and it all starts in your morning cup. The lion's mane mushroom in this blend has prebiotic properties, meaning it helps feed the good bacteria in your gut. A healthier gut microbiome leads to better digestion, improved mood, and even stronger immunity. Then there's cinnamon extract, which helps fight harmful bacteria while keeping digestion smooth and comfortable. Its natural anti-inflammatory compounds calm your digestive tract, reducing bloating and discomfort after meals. And let's not forget MCT oil powder. It's gentle on the stomach and helps improve nutrient absorption, ensuring your body actually gets the vitamins and minerals from the food you eat. It's like tuning up your digestive system every morning, giving you energy from the inside out. When your gut is balanced, everything else feels better: your mood, your sleep, your energy, even your skin. So, this isn't just about coffee anymore. It's about creating a stronger foundation for total body wellness. Up next, let's see how this same blend can help boost your immune system and protect you from age-related illnesses naturally. As we age, our immune system naturally weakens, making us more vulnerable to infections, fatigue, and slower recovery. That's why people over 60 often catch colds more easily or take longer to heal. But here's the inspiring part. You can retrain your immune system to become stronger again, and yes, your morning coffee can help. The key lies in the unique combination of antioxidants, healthy fats, and adaptogens inside this powder. Lion's mane mushroom is packed with beta-glucans, compounds proven to enhance immune cell activity and improve your body's defense mechanisms. It helps your immune system recognize and destroy harmful invaders faster while keeping inflammation under control. Cinnamon extract, on the other hand, is a powerful natural antibiotic and antiviral. It helps your body fight off bacteria and viruses before they take hold, while also calming chronic inflammation, one of the root causes of many age-related diseases. Then there's MCT oil powder, which supports the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, all essential for immune strength. Together, these ingredients form a natural shield, helping your body stay resilient year-round. So, instead of just drinking coffee for energy, imagine drinking a cup that helps fortify your defenses, nourish your cells, and protect you from illness, all while tasting amazing. And in our next section, we'll explore the real-life results people are seeing after adding this simple powder to their daily coffee routine. Now that you know what's inside this powerful blend, let's talk about what people are actually experiencing after adding it to their morning coffee. The stories are incredible, and they all have one thing in common: transformation. People in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s are reporting that within just a few weeks, they feel more alive than they have in years. Morning fatigue gone, brain fog lifted. Many say they can focus longer, remember better, and feel calmer throughout the day. Some have noticed improvements in digestion, fewer sugar cravings, and even more stable moods. What's happening is simple but powerful. This coffee powder is rebalancing the body from the inside out. The antioxidants from lion's mane are protecting brain cells, the MCT are providing clean, sustained energy, and the cinnamon extract is keeping blood sugar and inflammation in check. Every sip becomes a small daily investment in your vitality and longevity. And the best part, it fits effortlessly into your life. No pills, no complicated diets, just your regular cup of coffee, upgraded. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that your first sip isn't just energizing you, it's healing you. So, if you're ready to feel sharper, stronger, and younger again, this might just be the easiest, most enjoyable change you'll ever make. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Comment below if you're ready to try this coffee upgrade and tell us what results you notice. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your health, one sip at a time. Hot Flex